Lamborghini introduces unique Apple Vision Pro experience. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. At the launch of the all-new Lamborghini Temerario at Monterey Car Week, the second model in the Lamborghini high-performance electrified vehicle, HPEV range after the Revuelto, Automobili Lamborghini unveiled a new and unparalleled experience using the advanced spatial computing capabilities of Apple Vision Pro. The unique setting of the Lamborghini Lounge Monterey, where the Temerario was displayed, provided the perfect backdrop to elevate the car presentation to new heights. This immersive experience introduced an innovative and unprecedented storytelling approach that seamlessly blends 3D content with the physical world. During this unique event, guests explored highly realistic content, made possible by the Lamborghini Unraveling Temerario app and Apple Vision Pro. This cutting-edge technology allows users to discover intricate details and features of the essential and iconic Lamborghini Temerario that are not visible to the naked eye, while also providing access to exclusive tailored contents. This experience aligns perfectly with Lamborghini's vision of driving humans beyond, enabling users to engage with the brand on a deeper level. The ultra-high-resolution displays on Apple Vision Pro, along with its seamless user interface, ensure that every interaction with the car feels intuitive and realistic. With precise spatial understanding, digital content can be seamlessly overlaid onto the physical car through spatial menus and intuitive hand gestures, allowing users to interact with apps by simply looking at them or tapping their fingers. This innovative approach showcases the car's unique features through engaging stories and dynamic content, presented in a captivating way. Each section of the interactive menu offers a unique viewing experience of the car. The immersive content transforms the backdrop of the Lamborghini Temerario into a cinematic screen as you walk around it, revealing behind-the-scenes insights into the car's key features. Experiential elements feature the roaring and unmistakable sound of the twin-turbo V8 hybrid powertrain with an equalizer effect, and the visualization of the car's aerodynamics through live airflow displays. In the Centro-style section, for example, the physical car first transforms into a clay model and then into a digital one, offering a glimpse into Lamborghini's design process. The Unraveling Temerario app, designed by Automobili Lamborghini exclusively for the launch of its new authentic Fuori-Classi, sets a new standard for automotive experiences, creating opportunities for immersive content to be developed for both clients and fans while offering unprecedented insights and interactions with the brand. Through this approach, the House of Sant'Agata Bolognese reaffirms its commitment to pushing boundaries in the automotive industry, reflecting its core values of pioneering innovation and unrivaled craftsmanship. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.